All right, how's it going, everyone? I'm just gonna be live trading, and we're gonna try and pass this Alpha Futures zero plan or something like that. We're just gonna see if we can pass it in one trade in this video. I've never passed a trade in one. I've never passed an eval in one trade before, so we're gonna see what opportunities Asia session will give us tonight. And if it gives us something good, maybe we will pass it. So I already lost 1,000 on it this morning, so we really only have one more shot at this. And the only reason I'm doing this is because right now Alpha Futures is running a 50% off sale for Easter or something. So yeah, let's just hop right into the charts. And if you guys don't know, right now it is 7:46 p.m. for me. I don't know if you guys saw that, but 7:46 p.m. and it is what? Wednesday night. So, yeah. Just thought I'd put that information out there. But anyway, gonna be pretty bullish. I'm not even gonna lie. As of right now, gonna be pretty bullish. And maybe after I take a trade here, I will break down the trade I took today just to do a review for myself too, honestly. Because I think we're already getting a setup. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Do I really think we're this quick though? Let's look at NQ. Is NQ giving the setup first? No, we didn't invert that gap. I was about to want to enter. And actually, I do think I am going to be taking this trade on silver, which I'm gonna need to add the regular CME. I don't know how to do it, and I'm already missing out on the trade, so that sucks. Let me try and add this really quick. Is it SL1? What is this? Yeah, I don't think this gives. Technically, I only have like 1,000. So I'd have to be entering this right away in the right direction. But this is really making me mad. CME. Like, I'm ready to take this trade, but I can't do it because what? Yeah, it should just be SL. Why is it not popping up? It should just be SL. Futures. Why is it bringing up crypto? Okay, silver. Oh, right here. It says I already have it. Oh, it's right here. All right. Why does it look like that? I'm not liking that. Anyway, 3. Why does it look like that? I don't know why it looks like that. I guess the micro versions just look better because I'm guessing more people trade them. Um, that's the thing though. I'm guessing, out of balance on. Yeah, we are super duper out of balance on NQ. So I'm almost guessing we're gonna have that pullback regardless. So And we have all the candles ending, I'm pretty sure, in the net. Or, nope, just the 1 hour and the 30-minute are all going to be ending in literally 10 minutes. So it's like I could wait for that. Gold, 15-minute, 30-minute. It's kind of just been chopping around, but we did respect like this gap perfectly on gold. We respected these POIs on the 2 hour, the 1 hour. We inverted this gap. We respected this 2 hour gap and inverted this bearish gap. So obviously we're pretty much bullish. Just kind of have to wait for something on there, but pretty much bullish on everything as of right now. Let me go back to silver, see what's going on. Silver I'm only liking because, obviously gold and silver are pretty much like correlated. So if gold goes up, then most likely silver is going to follow. But I guess not right now. I mean, the entry was right here, so I'm glad I honestly didn't get in on this trade. Because the entry was literally right here. But that was a sign. I keep forgetting Asia session is not like, you know, it's not New York session where price is just going to give you your entry and it's just going to run to take profit in like a split second. I got to be a bit more patient and actually wait for some stuff. So we do have a huge gap on the 5 minutes. So maybe in 8 minutes, depending on how this closes, we will close respecting this gap. And then on the next candle, we'll sweep the low of the 15-minute, tap into a 30-minute POI, 1 hour POI, and continue that push up. We haven't traded 50% into it yet, but we did just tap into a 2 hour bearish gap. And if you guys are still here watching this, if you want to learn the strategy I'm trading, you can go to my playlist about just all the things I teach and everything. And just to give you guys a little heads up, I am going to be making a risk management video. And let me go here to show you guys this. I'm going to be making a video just about this right here. This will be going over literally everything you need to know about trading and what every single course guru sells you for thousands of dollars. I'm going to be going over that, just giving it to you for free. So, just gave you a little sneak peek on that. Let's go back to silver. See what's going on. 5 minute. Still just kind of dropping. I forgot we have to look at silver right here to really get a good look on this market. The reason why I want to trade silver so bad is because how big the contracts are. Like, I can risk this and get this pretty quick. So, I would actually need a little bit more, like this, something like this. So I would just need a really small move in the market to really make that. And yeah, that's really about it. Everything else is kind of going to be like a pretty big. NQ just had a huge push up. I wonder what that was about. Could enter in on this right now. I'm not even going to lie. But I'm just not liking it. I have to remember Asia session's not like New York. You know what I mean? It's not just going to give you your entry and just it's just not. So I can't keep thinking like that. That is why I'm happy I didn't do that, because look at that. Oh yeah, now I'd have to trade on NQ because you're only allowed to trade like 3 contract sizes or something, or not sizes, just 3 contracts. So I would have to hit like a big ass trade for this to even work out really in my favor at all. That's why I don't want to trade NQ really. Maybe ES. I don't even know though. It's not really gonna make a difference. It's not going to make a difference. Silver's still dropping, NQ's dropping. It's like I am bullish on this market, but after this happened, this SysD and everything, after sweeping a bunch of highs, it's like I want to take a sell here, but just to equilibrium, like I don't think I'm gonna hold it for any crazy trade. Or that was my thought process, but gotta remember we're about to like switch from bearish to bullish on like the majority of these time frames in like literally 4 minutes. So I gotta keep that in mind. So actually I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna mark this out. So this is gonna be the low, at least as of right now. This is the low of the 15 minute. So liquidity sweep. I don't even know why I'm marking this out because it's like I don't even want to be trading um NQ for the most part, but it just looks the cleanest, so I'm not gonna force a trade on a shittier setup on just something not giving me a good trade. So we do have this like in this small gap up here, both of these that are unfilled that price might be drawn to. So that looks very good. And we might have like multiple POIs here. I'm going to mark out all these bullish POIs. And the 2 hour, I mean, it's not going to be done until that hour is over. And then all the 30-minute POIs are obviously, basically the same thing. We have some extra POIs down here that I guess I can mark off on the 30-minute. I don't really need to, and honestly, I don't really even want to see price return all the way down there, if I'm being totally honest. It has to go down. Yeah, the buy, it did work, though. I could have entered in on this buy. Look at that. Could have entered in on that buy, but don't matter. The video is cut up at all. It's just because I'm gonna like just take out all like the boring parts that you guys probably wouldn't want to see, just in case you're wondering. Or this is about to create another POI there. We are just raging higher. Holy shit. Absolutely raging higher. Oh, SL had that entry signal. Or no, not really yet. Yeah, I'm just not liking the metals right now. Right now, this is absolutely giving me the best setup for what I want to see. We're going to have to drag this up to here. The same thing. We're looking for, like, we can sweep the low of this 15-minute candle here, tap into any of these bullish POIs for a very clean setup. And that's kind of what we're looking for. So that's really about it. And we have this 5-minute gap that we already respected. So I guess I can just mark that off as a gap that we already respected. Just for extra confluence, bullish gap. 15-minute did create a POI, so I'm going to honestly mark that out too. Just so we have it. The bullish POI there. We have lots of bullish POIs. I'm not even gonna lie. Gold not looking the best. Like, look at this. Like, yeah, we inverted a gap where we might be able to buy on this market soon, but everything just closed like horribly. Go back to NQ, and we're having like a flash crash on NQ, of course. It's usually what happens. But this could just be a fake move. Could be a fake move, could not be. You never really know. It could be, price could just be, we perfectly traded 50% into this 2 hour gap, so it could just be respecting it that heavily to where we had this sharp move. Um, I still think we're gonna want to trade into this gap up here, but we might not, or we also might not. You know what I mean? We might not. Let's just see what happens. We tapped into literally every single POI you can think of. Swept the low, obviously, of that previous 15-minute candle low. We already previously swept out the 2 hour lows. Still just kind of slowly trending bullish on the 4 hour. So yeah, let's just see how this goes. My goal is to make about 4,200. Then my risk is only, here we go. Risk is 1,000. Yeah, it looks like we're just flash crashing. It's usually what happens. Let's check the news, because this is, I don't know what's been going on, but this has been happening so frequently for like literally no reason. Just out of nowhere crashes for no reason. It's really weird. So Wednesday, 8 p.m. It's 8. It's 8 p.m. for me. So yeah, President Trump is speaking right now. So that's something. He must have just said something horrible. At least I'm guessing. I don't know. I'm still gonna go with the trend of the overall market right now. Just because Trump is speaking doesn't. This could just be a whole fake move for price to continue heading up. If we end up, breaking that, like taking out all this, and okay, okay, all right, okay, check that out. So we had a massive like we just swept insane amounts of lows. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait a little bit for this to cool down. Fuck. Jeez, look at that. Price of gold just dumping. I bet Baron Trump is having a great day right now. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We're just gonna continue falling, huh? Yeah, we're just gonna be patient for real. I mean, It's like I want to sell, but do I? Like I don't want to sell this like flash crap. See what lows we could be heading for all these untested lows down here. Like we could, but that's the thing. It's like we already took out this one. Do I think we're gonna head to this? I mean, we could, but I don't know. Frick off, dude. All right, we kind of do have an entry here soon. Yeah, it seems like we're just gonna want to keep selling off. I might enter in for a buy or a sell here. Catch maybe a little part of this move. Uh, oh shit. Did we just make money? I don't even know. All right, we're in. Either we're getting stopped out or market is reversing. There is this unfilled gap, so if we tap into that, that's where I'm going break even. Confirming break even right now. Massive unfilled gap here too. All right. All right, cool. We just passed the accounts. Or the account. I just passed the 50K Lucid what's it called? Zero plan, because you can pass them in one trade. So let's log in here and I'll show you guys that. Don't spam my email, please. I would appreciate it. Look at that. That's a little hack. Balance that right there. So account stats, what does that mean? Passed. Boom. Look at that. Bang. Fucking market ninja, dude. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? I timed it to fucking perfection. Oh my god. Join the Discord and trade with me, please, for free. It's free. It's free. Join the... What are you doing? Did you not see that? I waited all the way from here and I perfectly entered right here. And then boom, we targeted all the way back. Dude. Yeah, join the free Discord. You can literally trade with me every single day for free. So if you're not doing that already, I don't know what you're doing. But yeah. Passed an account. That's kind of all I wanted to do for this video. Just show you guys that I was going to say trading isn't hard, but it is. Trading is so fucking... I just crashed out not that long ago because I lost a bunch of money. I didn't really showcase that much, but I did. I crashed out completely. So, but yeah. I'll see you guys... Or wait, before we end this off, what else was I going to say? You can use my code to get some sort of % off of Alpha Futures accounts. If you're new to trading, you can get $15 off 1 month of TradingView, which is what I use on my computer right here. Also, OneFunded accounts. If you don't live in the US, definitely check out OneFunded. They're a CFD broker, forex. If you live in the US, get futures. Any futures I recommend. Alpha Futures, the one that I just did, Lucid Trading, Apex Trader Funding, and Top Step. Those are the only 4 I recommend. They're amazing. And for CFD/Forex, you can get FTMO. You can get... I forgot which one it was, but you can check out OneFunded, FTMO. I had a third one in mind that's really good, but I can't remember... You guys can just look it up. Just look up regulated stuff in your country. If it's regulated and you can find the owner and know where it's located, boom, use the broker, all right? Or the prop firm. Yeah, and follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. My Twitter's doing ass. I only have 20 followers on there. What's up with that? It's in the description. What are you doing? Follow me on there. I post on there every single day. And Instagram too. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. And just thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment what setup you guys took today in the market during New York, or if you took the same setup as me just now. And yeah, sorry, I said this 8 times. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys. You're awesome.